went afternoon in a room full of emptiness by a freeway. I confess I was lost in the pages of a book full of death, reading how we'll die alone if we could. We'll lay to rest anywhere we wanna go. In your house, I long to be. Room by room, patiently I'll wait for you there. Like a stone, I'll wait for you there, alone. And on my deathbed, I will pray to the gods and the angels like a beggar, to anyone who will take me to heaven, to a place I recall. I was there so long ago. The sky was bruised, the wine was blend, and then you led me on. In your house, I long to be. Room by room, patiently I'll wait for you there. Like a stone, I'll wait for you there, alone, alone. No, I wait until the day was gone. I sat in regret all the things I've done, with all that I've blessed and all that I've wronged. In dreams until my day, I will wander